it's Sharon Armstrong. I am so super excited right now. I just have to share. So during the month of July, Stampin' Up is offering a totally free family of stamp pads. We just did a color revamp. There's a ton of new colors. I think there's 16 new colors plus the 5 new InColors. You could pick out any 10 stamp pads in a family. So that would be the brights, the neutrals, the Regals, the subtles, or you could get all 10 of the new InColor pads. This special is for those who choose to get a starter kit during the month of July. And I know you're freaking out. You're like, I don't want to sell. I don't want to do what she does. I don't want to get online and do Facebook Lives, or I don't want to blog. I don't want to do any of that. You don't have to. You do not have to. I'm going to say about 95% of my team are what is called a hobby demonstrator. Hobby demonstrators love Stampin' Up products and they want the discount. Everybody loves the discount. So when you join, you start getting 20% off every time you key in an order, every time you buy something, okay? So that's a good deal. So let's talk about that starter kit. The starter kit is you shop for up to $125, anything you want in your kit. You're gonna pay $99 plus sales tax. You get free shipping, So when you add the free family of stamp pads to that, it's like $192.50 value. You pay $99. It's such a sweet deal. There's gonna be some extra catalogs in there. Share those with your friends. You can remain a demonstrator until the end of December. Give it a test run. See what you think about that 20% off. What happens the end of December? Well, by the end of December, there is something called a quarterly minimum. You need to be able to have placed a $300 order within that last quarter, okay? But you have until the end of December. And right now, the fall is our busiest time. People love the new holiday catalog that's coming out. You'll also be able to pre-order as a demonstrator for the occasions catalog that would be being released in January, but you'll get to pre-order in December. There's so many ways for you to stock up and check this out before the end of December. Okay, so let's say by the end of December you don't quite make it. You have the month of January to make up any deficit. So it's called a pending month. But say you still don't make it, no harm. You can continue ordering Stampin' Up products from me. We remain friends. My team name is Stamping Friends Forever because we are. We are friends no matter if you're on my team, if you're a customer, no matter what, we're still friends. So there's one other special going on during the month of July as well, and it's the Designer Series papers. You can buy 3 packs of Designer Series paper, get 1 free. Don't you just love that free word? I do. So you can't get the Designer Series paper in that starter kit, but that's a little technicality. If you want any more information, I would love to chat with you. There's never any pressure to sell. You're never gonna get any pressure from me ever about do this or do that. I guide you, I give you what information you want, and the rest of it, it's all you. If you want more information, head over to my Stampin' Up website. There is a contact me button up in the top right-hand corner. Send me your questions. I would love to answer them for you. Have a happy day and happy stamping.